this is Isabelle. I'm at Mobile World Congress 2024. It's the end of day 2, and I'm at the XConnect Cocktail Party. And I took this opportunity to torture some of my victims and did one of my famous one-word challenge. Let's see what they have to say, shall we? Let's go. So, Philippe, are you ready for my one-word challenge?
Yes, I am. Let's shoot.
I'm going to tell you one word, and you tell me the first word that comes to your mind, okay? I3 Forum.
Collaboration.
Wholesale.
Collaboration.
Fraud or anti-fraud.
Collaboration. Spam calls.
Fraudsters. Horrendous.
Nuisance.
Annoying.
A nightmare.
Issue.
One consortium.
Regulation.
Uber collaboration.
Really, really necessary. And that's more than one word.
My dream. Stir shaken.
Interesting.
Expensive.
Doesn't work.
Useful.
Nightmare.
Jury's still out.
Regulators.
National.
Need to not get involved.
Required.
Really important to protect consumers.
Our new friends.
Need them.
Industry collaboration.
Incredibly important.
Success.
Necessary.
Very important.
Critical.
Critical for success.
A must. Restoring trust.
Big task. Extremely important.
Required.
The goal.
Again, critical for success.
A hard challenge, yet achievable.
Also incredibly important.